Hello everyone, got a new model from the brand DCM. It's the Defender 110 high capacity pickup from the movie Tomb Raider. Lara Croft. Woo woo. Hey dude, you already did a review about this model? Not exactly. The other one was from the brand Street Warrior, and it was definitely a winner. And today we're going to compare the one from Street Warrior with the one from DCM. Let's unbox the one from DCM. Well, let's take it out of the plastic. There we go. Let's have a look at the box first. I already said the brand DCM, and I already said this one Defender 110 high capacity pickup. Tomb Raider, Lara Croft. Yeah, here we got a picture of the Defender looking good. And here's some text, freeze the frame if you want to read it. Okay, nice display case and a very nice background here. Wow, I like it. To compare it with the one from Street Warrior, this is the box from Street Warrior, and they had a photo of the pickup here in the back, and the rest was all Street Warrior. So DCM wins the prize for best package. Street Warrior was a little bit earlier with the release, so they won the race of first release. Wow, this is looking good. A license plate, thank you very much. I think that's very important. It makes the car much more realistic. All the accessories are painted. And what's also a good thing, with the one from Street Warrior, you have to put on the accessories yourself. Not everything, but this, like the box and the boxes in the back, you had to put on yourself. Be very careful with the antenna. It will break very easy. Seats are also nice. Check this out. Let's switch to detail mode. I have to do it like this. Yep. And then we can zoom in very close. So seat belts. That's a little bit too much light. Painted details on the dashboard. Let's have a look from this side. We got a fire extinguisher there. Yeah, nice seat belts. Yeah, looking good. Mirror for looking back. Yeah, and all the boxes are already installed. You don't have to do anything. This is ready out of the box. I like that. Also a license plate in the back, lands the lights here in the back, mud flaps with Land Rover, and we got a cable here. Jerry cans here. Yeah, fantastic. I love it. Let's take it off the base and see what we have. I wonder how it went, because two brands releasing the same car almost at the same time. Plastic base, not super much details. Okay, now let's compare it with the one from Street Warrior. Now the one from Street Warrior, you had to put most of the accessories on yourself. Wasn't that hard, but you know. Okay, here they use two shovels, and here it's a shovel and a stick, or no, it's for a boat. Okay, yeah. Then we got the snorkel. Street Warrior also has a snorkel. Yeah, different rims for the one from Street Warrior. Both have an X on the side. The box with the net also the same. They look pretty much the same from the top. Oh, I already broke the antenna from the one from Street Warrior. Yeah, definitely. Oh yeah, the one from Street Warrior had some extra cable. You know if you can see it. Yeah, there were some extra accessories. I don't put all the accessories on the car. There was also a rope for in front, but I didn't do anything with it. Here the license plate has a metal color, which is also pretty cool. I have to say the grille from the one from DCM is a little bit better with the lens lights. But hey, the one from Street Warrior is also not bad with the protection in front of the lights. DCM also have a better accessory here. Got some paint. Yeah, and this here is also different. So the one from Street Warrior has some more painted details. I like that. How is the one from Street Warrior inside? So this one had blue seats with seat belts. This one also black seats with seat belts. Also fire extinguisher. No painted details. Yeah, a little bit. It's also black. Black with gray. Can you see it? Yeah. And then we go to the black. So they both have same license plate, also yellow. The one from the DCM is on the right with the antenna. So here DCM has more details here for the cable. Exhaust is a little bit thinner than the one from Street Warrior. Okay, let's have a look at the base. Wheels are rolling. This is the one from Street Warrior. So this is the base, plastic base, but with some more details. If you ask me, DCM took a little bit more time. And the wheels are also much better rolling. Some more details. The accessories are already on the car. So that's the reason they released it a little bit later. I think, I have no idea. I was not there. So if I have to choose between these two, I go for the one from DCM. But hey, they're both absolutely fantastic. So if you bought the Street Warrior, don't worry, it is also very, very good. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button. I try to put this here on the diorama next to Lara. And have a very good day. Bye.